say, man, shut up, Psycho Cruiser, man. I've been riding for 20 years, man. Everywhere. I ain't never crashed nothing, man. I don't be wearing all that gear and look stupid like you, Psycho Cruiser, man. Wearing all that gear and all that. I'm gonna be honest with you, you know, when I get ready to ride a motorcycle, it literally takes me probably about a half hour to put all my gear on that you see here and everything. And I know some of you guys out there like Psycho Cruiser, I'm not going through all that, putting all that gear on. I'm just gonna jump on my bike and go, man.
Is riding with no gear actually more fun?
Let's go for a ride. Subscribe today.
I'll tell you this, guys, if you're a squid or not, it's cold out here. You're gonna want some heated gloves, and I have some links to these awesome heated gloves right here. And my favorite ultra lightweight carbon fiber helmet comes with an automatic tint shield, my airbag vest to help keep you safe. And I have links to all my gear in the description and comment section of this video. You know, I have to be honest, you know, it does take a lot of time, you know, putting all this gear and stuff on. Like I said, it takes me about a half hour, especially in the winter time. I got to put my thermal on. I got to put my balaclava on. I got to put so much more gear than I normally do. But to me, it's worth it. But to just be able to jump on your bike and go, yeah, that seems cool and all. That's all good, right? But, you know, the slight chance you going down out here on this road right here, which is like a belt sander, this will sand your skin down to the bone, man. I'm telling you, you'll have road rash that is absolutely horrible. You try to take a shower with road rash, guys, it feels like somebody's, man, it feels burn. You'll feel a lot of burn, guys. I had road rash one time, and I tell you, road rash is no joke. Oh yeah, baby. Gotta do some underbridge action up in here on my Yamaha Davidson. But I'm gonna tell you, there is no argument with squids though. I mean, some of these guys will just say, man, shut up, Psycho Cruiser, man. I've been riding for 20 years, man. Everywhere. I ain't never crashed nothing, man. I don't be wearing all that gear and look stupid like you, Psycho Cruiser, man. Wearing all that gear and all that, get burned up in the summertime, man. You know, I knew a guy once like that. He talked smack, like he talked that stuff too, man. He said all the years he never crashed anything, like 2 decades, and you know what, he did finally go down and he didn't have gear. And you know what, you know where he's at? He's in a nursing home right now, man. And the dude is messed up. His brain, he's got brain damage. He like yells out. He's like all messed up, man. But he didn't wear a helmet, hit his head on a car, man, and had permanent brain damage. He's in there, he's like a child all over again, and he's in this nursing home, man. And he's messed up for life because he didn't wear a freaking helmet, man. I wish I could go do an interview with him, you know what I'm saying? But he's not in right mind, you know what I'm saying? He'd probably start screaming or cussing or something, like he just does crazy stuff. But I'm telling you guys that you can be a fool if you want to. You know what I'm saying? And you can, yes, it's an inconvenience to wear gear, to put on the gear and to wear. It's not an inconvenience to wear, because I'll tell you, on a cold day like this, in the 30s, man, you're gonna want some gear on. You squids ain't gonna be riding out here, man, in this weather. But I'm riding comfortable. You know what I'm saying? I got my heated gloves on, nice and toasty here. The helmet that's keeping from the cold wind from blowing on my face and stuff. I got all my winter gear, man. Make sure they see you, boy. That's defensive riding 101. Stay safe out here, baby. That's the name of the game. To ride a motorcycle out here is to staying safe. You know what I'm saying? And that's what it's all about, being able to ride another day. It's not about looking cool. Don't be a fool, man. I think I look cool in this gear, but that's my opinion. Just wear some gear, man, but definitely this airbag vest, because I tell you, an airbag vest will help keep you from being put in a wheelchair, possibly, man. Because I tell you, you get bumped from your bike and without an airbag vest, and you land wrong and mess your spine up and you're back up for life. That's it. It's a wrap. It's just that one time you you made a bad decision, didn't wear airbag vest, you go down, you have a real effed up day, and for the rest of your life, you got effed up days. Every day, it's going to be horrible. You know what I'm saying? Wear that airbag vest, guys. I'm telling you, man. They make it in other colors, too, by the way. They got it in black. If you don't like this ugly high vis, which is going to help keep you safer out here, though. But I got links to all the colors. They even got a new airbag backpack. So if you don't want to wear a vest, you can rock the backpack, and it'll you know, if you get thrown off your bike, it'll expand and help protect your spine. So that's another option for you as well. It cracks me up when some of you guys, you know, come to my channel and you leave comments in like Cycle Cruising, man. You're like, man, that gear looks stupid, or it takes too much time putting all that gear on, man. I'm telling you, that extra few minutes that it takes to put gear on could save your life. But I don't know, you'd rather save a few minutes than your life, or keep you from, you know what I'm saying, or you'd rather have an effed up day. You say, you gotta stay safe out here, baby. Yeah, baby, we out here in the hood. Man, I tell you, this Yamaha Davidson, yeah, baby, this thing is so sick, man. I love this bike, man. But anyways, guys, do what you want to do out there. Squids are gonna be squids until they have an effed up day, and then they'll be crying and be like, Cycle Cruise, I wish I'd have wore that gear. You know what I'm saying? It's be too late then, brother. I'm trying to help you right now. I'm trying to save you right now. But anyways, guys, leave a comment below. Let's talk about it, man. Do you like squidding, and why? Tell me how gear has saved your life. For those of you that gear has saved you, I want to hear what you guys got to say. But anyways, guys, make sure you hit a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, make sure to hit that little bell symbol so you get notified when all my videos release. And they release every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time religiously. Stay tuned.
Check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.